Imagine you're walking down a busy street in a bustling city. You're hungry, and you spot a tempting food stall. You approach the stall, ready to indulge, but then you realize you forgot your wallet. Disappointment sets in, but then you remember your GrabPay app. With a hopeful glance at the stall owner, you ask, "Do you accept GrabPay?" The owner smiles and nods, "Of course." Relief washes over you as you realize you can still enjoy your meal. This scenario has happened to countless people around the world, and it begs the question, how many merchants actually accept GrabPay? GrabPay is a popular mobile payment app that has gained significant traction in Southeast Asia. It offers a convenient and secure way to make payments for a wide range of goods and services. But how widespread is its acceptance? In this video, we'll dive deep into the numbers and explore the growing trend of merchants adopting GrabPay. We'll also discuss the benefits of accepting GrabPay for both merchants and consumers. The rise of GrabPay. GrabPay has experienced rapid growth in recent years, fueled by its user-friendly interface and seamless integration with the Grab app, a popular ride-hailing service. As more people adopt GrabPay for their daily transactions, the demand for merchants to accept it has also increased. Merchant acceptance rates. While the exact number of merchants accepting GrabPay varies from country to country, it's clear that the trend is on the rise. In key markets like Singapore, Malaysia, and Indonesia, GrabPay has achieved significant penetration, with a large number of merchants, ranging from small convenience stores to major retailers, accepting it. Factors driving merchant adoption. Several factors contribute to the increasing adoption of GrabPay by merchants. Convenience. GrabPay offers a hassle-free payment experience for both merchants and customers, eliminating the need for cash or card transactions. Security. GrabPay employs advanced security measures to protect user data and prevent fraud, providing peace of mind for both parties. Increased customer base. By accepting GrabPay, merchants can tap into a wider customer base, including those who may not carry cash or prefer digital payments. Reduced transaction costs. Compared to traditional payment methods, GrabPay often involves lower transaction fees, making it a more cost-effective option for merchants. Benefits for merchants. Accepting GrabPay offers several benefits for merchants. Increased sales. By providing a convenient payment option, merchants can attract more customers and potentially boost their sales. Improved customer satisfaction. Offering GrabPay can enhance customer satisfaction by providing a seamless and efficient payment experience. Reduced operational costs. By eliminating the need for cash handling and reducing transaction fees, merchants can save on operational costs. Access to data insights. GrabPay can provide merchants with valuable data insights, such as customer spending habits and preferences, which can be used to improve their business strategies. As GrabPay continues to expand its reach and popularity, it's clear that more and more merchants are recognizing the benefits of accepting it. By providing a convenient, secure, and cost-effective payment option, GrabPay is driving the digital transformation of the retail industry. So, the next time you're out and about and need to make a payment, keep GrabPay in mind. You might be surprised at how many merchants now accept it. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.